YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you my house, or not my house, but the house I live in. It's my dad's, kind of. I thought it'd be a cool idea since I'm living in Dubai, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you would love to know how I live. So yeah, let's get going. This is kind of the entrance thing where you come in. Yeah, that's kind of it. I really love this lamp. Have you seen this? Just look at it. They're like small people. I didn't realize that just until now. Yeah, that's how good I know my house. My dad's name, he's obsessed with himself. No, I love you, Dad. So this is also our entrance. We all have everything, we have everything kind of in like a Chinese, Japanese interior. Don't ask me why, but it looks cool, so. This is our former living room. What we do here is, we don't really do anything here. We barely chill in here, but when we do, we chill. Doesn't really make any sense, I know. But it's like a room supposed to when you have like guests over and you bring them in here and bring them tea or coffee or whatever. Yeah, we just never really have guests. Let's get going. I don't really have much to say about this room. Okay, let's go. This is our dining room. Our dining room where we never dine in. We have never eaten here before, believe it or not. Yes. I really think this is so cool. Just look at it. Like when you eat here, you light all the candles and they're like above you, and it's like so cool. This is a door back to the entrance where you just came from. So like when you have guests over, you can just get them through here because you don't want them seeing your messy house. That's probably something we would do. This is our kitchen. I love this kitchen. And why? It's because it has so many fridges. There's also a fridge. And there's also a fridge, but you can't really see it. There's like another kitchen with another fridge and a laundry room and a basement and the way to the garage. Whatever. Microwave, oven, this thing, don't know. A grill. That's cool, right? I know. Moving on, this is where we usually eat, if we're not eating on the couch, but yeah, this is like a breakfast table. It's supposed to be only for breakfast, but we always eat here because why not? We're not that extra. Okay, we're fine with this. Okay, this is like what is this? Like, you chill here. If you don't want to chill in there and you don't want to chill here, you chill here. Don't ask me. This is our living room. Oops, it's messy. Don't mind. Love the living room. Love the couch. Look how big the couch is. Look. Yeah, it's dope. It's new. So it looks from under. We'll put it back. This is our new table. We got it from Marina Furniture. Look how dope it is with all the wood. Loving it. And this is our huge TV. It's huge. And our PlayStation. Loving. I don't really like the PlayStation, but my boyfriend behind the camera really likes it. He's smiling. Okay, to the garden. This is our garden. There's like a shower there. That table beside the shower is supposed to stand where we are right now. But the garden is under construction. Believe it or not, this is fake grass. And they're like, because it's Eid, happy Eid by the way, they just paused with the construction and they're like plates coming everywhere and the, I don't know, grilling area there and another area there, and don't ask me, I have no idea. But it's a cool garden, huge pool, pizza. Another really cool thing here, and that is this. This is so cool. Like, let's say, let's go on air conditioning. And then you have like our whole house. But you're not allowed to see the first floor because we're still going there, so let's just go. So you can like switch the lights on from that, or the AC, or I don't know, stuff like that. But I don't use it. Do you use it?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is our other entrance hall. Yeah. We never chill here either, except when we're like going out and I'm waiting for my sisters, so I just sit up here. It's actually comfortable. It doesn't look comfortable. Like Jenny, because you can scream from the whole house. So that's it. So shout out to you, Jenny, for taking ages all the time. This is my dad's bedroom and his wife's, but we don't go in there. Privacy, people, privacy. This is our driver's bedroom, but we don't go in there either because privacy people. This, though, hey Lars. This is a bedroom, but I'm not gonna say whose. As you can see, it's pretty empty because the person is not really here often. She has like a pretty boring room, I guess. Oh my god, just do it this way. But she can like go through the garden, which is pretty cool, I guess. I guess a lot, right? I know. But she has a nice closet. Oh, it's so dark in here. I'm so sorry, people. So dark. Won't really do anything. But it's a cool closet, okay? Pretty cool. And she has like a cool shower. I don't know what's with the light, but that's so cool. It's like you're having a bath in your own little home. Yeah, shower, obviously. In the whole house, we only have showers like that. What I think is pretty dope. Yeah, window, another entrance to the garden. I love that actually. Imagine you're like just taking a shit and you can, what am I saying? Okay, moving on. This room is like super boring. Okay, I don't know.